Mother Nature is as dangerous as she is beautiful. Today we bring that dangerous beauty directly to you as we showcase encounters with wild animals that are sure to make you think twice next time you come across an untamed beast out in the world. Let's begin. Just because you're on a boat in the water doesn't mean you're safe from a tiger attack. These Indian fishermen find out this fact the hard way when the predator leaps out of the bushes to make his move. That's about enough to give anyone a heart attack.
Here he comes. Oh my goodness, and he's huge. Hello, boy. Wonder if we can pet him. Hi, boy. Help me! Help!
Открываю. Тигр. Охренеть. Тигр. Боже мой. Подожди, подожди. Я увеличила максимально. Офигеть. Я вообще не стояла бы, честно говоря, так он может просто нас сожрать. Офигеть. Офигеть.
This Scottish tourist just wants to make friends with this Arabian oryx lounging in the shade. The oryx, however, has other ideas about where this friendship is headed.
An Arabian oryx just chilling in the garden. Hello, mate. Are you any more dangerous? Whoa! 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 Okay, I was going to ask if he was any more dangerous than the bloody camels. Oh, okay. I think I probably shouldn't have taken a shortcut through his bloody. I probably shouldn't have taken a shortcut through there. I probably should have walked along the path.
Oh, went right over the glass. Look at that venom and those fangs pumping in. 2-inch fangs, a big Gaboon viper, and look at that venom. I tell you what, I got the shakes. Look at that. I'm shaking like a leaf because you are so close to death. And the worst thing about this venom here, it'll make your leg and your arm fry off, but it's going to stop your heart.
Jerry here is not too bright. He and his knucklehead friends seem to think that it's a good idea to taunt a moose. Just in case you're wondering, it's definitely not a good idea. Don't be like Jerry.
Jerry, do it. Do it. I dare you. Keep moving. Go. You gotta get lower. He can see you, Jerry. Get it. Get him.
Army crawl!
Army crawl.
Go commando!
Hold it down. What are you doing tonight? He can smell your fear. Oh my.
How close do you let this king-size grizzly bear get to you before you start panicking? These wildlife photographers play it cool and get some great footage, but it could have easily gone the other way.
This is incredible.
Babe, you're getting too close.
Babe, relax. What a good thing we turned around, eh?
So there you are, checking out some lions, when you hear an elephant off in the distance. Only to find that the elephant is not having his best day. That's probably not a good time to go in for a closer look. You'll see why. If you want to get up close and personal with lions in the wild, whatever you do, listen to the lion expert. If he says stay still, for God's sake, don't move. If he tells you to get out of there, don't stick around. Make no mistake, the lions are in charge here.
Kevin's just told us to stay very still. The male lion has taken an interest in us, and he's just trying to assert his dominance and get him to move away.
No. This on? This film stomach? No, boy. No. No. Start. Start the car. And go.
So,
go.
go.
Stop. Go.
Go. Okay.
Slowly, keep the pace.
Now got.
Just keep the pace.
Shit.
Just come over here.
Shit. No. Just.
Where's he at?
Whew.
What's worse than finding a big, scary spider in your house? How about seeing it run off and losing sight of it, knowing it could be anywhere? Yeah, that won't keep you up at night thinking it's about to run across your face.
Oh, yuck. Okay. Please film me. Oh, God.
Wait. Can you put the lid on my kettle for us?
Why? Okay. Are you ready?
No!
Can you come over here?
I'm not going!
Okay, you ready? Ah, fuck! Oh, sorry. Okay.
Is there anything more majestic than a bald eagle? This handsome fella just swoops on in and befriends this fisherman for a share of his catch, which he was happy to provide for his new pal. What's a bit of fish between friends, right?
Holy fuck. You are right beside me. Like, right there. You are a big bastard. Alright, so I guess you want this fish. It's not a very big fish, but you can have it. Oh, there you go, buddy. Well, that's awesome.
Just a typical day in Russia, having the neighbor over for a cup of tea. It's just that in this case, the neighbor is a bear. Come on, big fella. Nobody likes a nosy neighbor.
Привет, Сёма. Ты гуляешь? Сём, человечек ты наш.
Check out this drone footage from New Zealand of these three curious orcas investigating just what this odd-looking land creature is doing swimming in their waters. If I'm not mistaken, at one point both the swimmer and the orca are doing the backstroke at the same time. Absolutely stunning footage.
Oh wow, that's awesome.
Any birds?
They're just flying around.
Oh yeah.
Chasing someone with food. It's so funny when one of the girls gets food.
Whoa, it's crazy. They're like looking right at it.
And then don't get to get a pan of all the violence and everything.
Yeah, okay. Whoa, it's insane. Look at it.
Oh my god, it's like touching your feet.
It's crazy.
She is, isn't she? Drone's pretty far away.
It's alright.
Just remember when you get to those cliffs there might be birds.
Yeah, okay. You just keep an eye on it, please.
I'll try.
Yeah, no, it's fine.
Oh yeah.
Alaska is a place like nowhere else in North America. It certainly isn't strange to see a moose just weaving its way through traffic from time to time. Check out the size of those antlers, which they shed and regrow every year. You know that these manatees here are thought to have inspired the legend of the mermaid? That's an ugly mermaid, but manatees are actually more closely related to elephants than they are to any other sea creature.
If we never jumped in, we would have never had this amazing encounter. And with these video clips of me swimming alongside this mola mola, you can truly grasp how large of a fish he is.
Did you know sunfish could get this big? This one weighs over 4,000 pounds. It was released back into the ocean.
Look how this gargantuan moose is perfectly framed in this lady's window. He doesn't seem to be in a hurry to go anywhere despite her efforts. As long as the moose doesn't decide to come in and look for a snack in the kitchen, I think she'll be okay. These whale watchers get pretty lucky to not only see a whale, but actually get to touch and even kiss this friendly whale that came in for a closer look at these interesting shirt-wearing mammals.
Oh, man.
Oh, you like me now?
Yeah. Here, you get it now. One bald man, two another.
There are an estimated 1 million moose living in North America, but if you're looking for moose in Europe, your best bet is in Scandinavia. Apparently they're all over the place there. Here's a few goofy mooses from Norway. I thought Australia was the place to find creepy spiders, but good for you, Canada, for showing what you got. I can feel the little babies crawling on my skin right now.
Wow. 8 feet. He's long, 8 feet, 75. Wow.
This massive spider has moved into this car, and by the looks of it, he ain't leaving anytime soon. There's only one way to deal with this: fire. I hope you now have a newfound respect and understanding for the power and danger nature has in store for us humans. Proceed with caution next time you're out in the wild. We need you around to hit like buttons and subscribe to YouTube channels like this one. See you next time.